Grandma's Alice's kitchen. Today we are frying vermicelli and Cantonese fried meat, Yee Mee. First we have to soak our Bee Hoon, then we can start frying. Make sure to soak your fried beancurd in water as well until it is softened. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil into your sesame oil. Now we add the oil into the pan. Now throw in your garlic. Oops, my hair blocking the camera. Add in the mushrooms. You can substitute with any kind of meat as well, but I'm making this dish vegetarian friendly today. Now add in the carrots and give them all a stir. Put in the vermicelli that you have soaked in water. Add in the fried beancurd as well. I'm putting in the soya sauce now. And I'm going to use my favorite mushroom seasoning now. It's okay if you don't have it, just add in some salt as you like. Now I'm adding in caramel black sauce to darken the color. Keep stirring it around. Now I'm adding in the excess sauce. Lastly, add in the beansprouts taugeh. Test your food to your liking. It's such a simple, easy and quick meal. To all the kids watching my videos, you certainly know what to cook when you go study overseas next time. Okay, I got you. Your parents won't have to worry whether you are hungry or not. Just watch my videos. On high heat, add in some oil and garlic into your wok. Add about 6 tablespoons of water into the corn flour and give it a stir to create this mixture. Add in your prawns or any kind of meat you like. Pour in a cup of water. Add in pepper. I just agak-agak. And I'm going to use my favorite mushroom seasoning now. Now add in a second bowl of water. Now Now I'm adding in soy sauce and sesame oil. I mixed them together in this bowl earlier. Give them all a stir. Now I'm adding in Choy Sam vegetables, or you may use any kind of veggie you have in the fridge. Pour in the corn flour mixture. And stir in 2 eggs. Look at that color, it's so beautiful. I like to pour the sauce over the dry packet of Yee Mee noodles because I like my noodles crunchy, since it will soften after a while eventually. This is my granddaughter's favorite dish. I used to always make it for her after school when she was younger. First thing she says when she comes home is, "Grandma, I want Kung Fu Chow." And there you have it. 2 quick and easy noodle dishes you can make in less than 10 minutes.
It's like it's so yummy and then you forgot to say something or like stop eating.
Now I'm eating my Kung Fu Chow. Let me know in the comment below whether you like this mee or me. Voice over. Don't laugh. That's all. 我看到后禮拜。